Despite its mischievous-sounding name and ruggedly handsome exterior styling, the 2023 Nissan Rogue is really a gentle-natured crossover better suited for errand running and road tripping than waggish off-road antics. The Rogue features a contemporary cabin with similar passenger space to rivals like the Mazda CX-5 and the Volkswagen Tiguan. Unlike the more traditional four-bangers in those SUVs, though, a unique turbocharged three-cylinder engine powers the Rogue, and we haven't found the Nissan's road manners to be as delightful. The Rogue does have a generous list of standard technology and convenience features going for it, and its fuel economy estimates are higher than those of many other compact SUVs. While the Rogue has two spacious rows of seating, the mechanically similar Mitsubishi Outlander comes with a set of third-row jump seats that might make it a better choice for families with more than 2 kids. A new Midnight Edition package is available on the SV trim for 2023. As you've probably guessed, the appearance package adds black trim, black badging, and black wheels to the Rogue's exterior. It also includes black full-leather upholstery inside. Elsewhere in the lineup, Platinum models now include Amazon's Alexa voice assistant feature as standard. The feature is optional on the SL trim as part of the SL Premium package. The mid-level SV model offers the best mix of features for the money. It adds niceties such as 18-inch aluminum wheels, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, a 360-degree exterior camera system, and Nissan's ProPilot Assist semi-autonomous driving mode. And we'd spring for the SV Premium package, which adds a panoramic sunroof, a power-operated rear liftgate, roof rails, and full-leather upholstery. Engine, transmission, and performance. All 2023 Rogue models are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder that makes 201 horsepower. The inline-3 is mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. When it launched as a redesigned model in 2021, the Rogue carried over the lethargic non-turbo 2.5-liter 4-cylinder from the previous generation SUV. We criticized the 2021 Rogue for its lackadaisical acceleration, and during our brief test drive of the new Turbo 3, the compact crossover felt perkier. But at our test track, its acceleration wasn't much quicker than the 2021 we tested with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. The turbocharged 3-cylinder managed to coax the Rogue to 60 miles per hour in 7.8 seconds, only a 0.4-second improvement over the 2021 model. On the road, the Rogue delivers a compliant ride that's agreeable for commuting and road tripping, but its blasé cornering attitude hasn't earned it any fans among our staff. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. With the turbocharged 3-cylinder engine on board, the Rogue is rated for up to 30 miles per gallon city and 37 miles per gallon highway. Going with all-wheel drive reduces those estimates down to 28 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway, and adding the top-spec Platinum trim reduces the highway number further to 34 miles per gallon. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, we recorded a disappointing 31 miles per gallon in our all-wheel drive Platinum test vehicle. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Rogue's interior borrows styling cues from both the Altima family sedan and the Sentra compact sedan. Thoughtful storage cubbies, a bi-level dashboard, and a squared-off shift knob are rich-looking design elements that improve usability and give the interior a modern flair. Cloth seating is standard, but the mid-range SV model can be had with optional full-leather upholstery. The upscale SL and Platinum Rogues get genuine leather, the latter's being a semi-aniline hide with quilted stitching. 3-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel are all available features. Infotainment and connectivity. Standing proud and tall on the dashboard is a touchscreen infotainment system. While an 8.0-inch unit is standard on the Rogue, a larger 9.0-inch screen is available on SL and Platinum models. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, and high-end features such as in-dash navigation and a Bose stereo system are optional. A 12.3-inch reconfigurable digital gauge cluster is unique to the Platinum model and is bundled with a large 10.8-inch head-up display and a wireless smartphone charging pad. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.